Today's lesson is Mother at 66. It's a poetry written by Kamala Das. As you can read the top section, it will give all the information that she was from South and she used to write poetries. She was from Malabar, which is in South. You can see some words underlined here. I am trying to focus it. That she has been in Malabar and she has fourth line. You can see Kamala Das have published some books. That is not important actually. What is important is this portion, and this is a very simple poem. That driving from parents. Who is driving? Naturally Kamala Das is driving from parents home to Cochin. Now she is going to Cochin, and it was last Friday morning, and in the car she saw her mother. Ma'am, please, recording चल रही है. She saw her mother beside her. Beside her means by the side of her. She was dozing. Dozing means झपकी जिसको बोलते हैं. Not sleeping actually, trying to sleep. Open mouthed and her face ashen. Ash is rock, any grey colored. मतलब colorless. Here she wants to say colorless, like that of a corpse. Now like word, same word, as word मीन्स जैसे के लिए जितने भी वर्ड्स आते हैं, ये एक हिंदी का भी अलंकार है, इसको सिमिली कहते हैं. दैट ऑफ अ कॉप्स इज अ डेड बॉडी. दैट मीन्स मदर when she was moving away from the parents, and maybe she was going to drop the mother to the airport because mother was so old she could not drive the car. So she saw that the mother was dozing off in the car. जैसे बच्चे वगैरह को नींद आ जाती है, ऐसे she was also dozing. Open mouthed. Her face was ashen, like a means color wise she was colorless. So I've already told you the portrait of the lady. And open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and she realized with pain. Now what she realized, that the mother has grown too old. She is standing there. Mother is about to sit in the aeroplane. So mother is very old, you can see, and she has come to say goodbye to her. So the body was like a dead body, and she realized that any time she could lose her mother forever. That she was old as and she looked, but soon put that thought away. So she was so old that she was very old, and because this thought puzzled her. Now the question is, which thought puzzled her? Why did she look? Now the mother was looking like this. She was very old, she was wrinkled, she was lifeless, she was glowless, and so she was forced to look out of the window. And she was very old, and she looked out of the window to put the thought away. Now putting the thought away means diverting the mind. And when she looked out, she saw merry children spilling from the home. Now merry children are contrast to the old mother. Merry children are young children full of life. This mother is a lifeless mother, means almost lifeless, on the verge of death. She may die any time. These are merry children who have whole life ahead. So these children are very energetic, and this mother is very lifeless, glowless, energyless. Now this reminded her, this brings that contrast between the mother and the children. Now they say the children were full of life, and they were ready to go out and play. And what was the mother doing? She was dozing. Okay, so but after the airport check, starting a few yards, now airport check means checking of the luggage. After that was done, she looked again at her Van pale face. Now, when pale face, that's moon, winter moon, or the moon in rainy season. That is not so shiny. Of course, if there's no cloud, it is shiny. She looked out. She looked at her mother. Again, she compares her mother to a van pale moon when the moon is not very shiny. So it was like a late winter moon. Now, a late winter moon means moon when seen through the fog. It is not very bright. So again, there is a comparison, and these comparisons are generally called similes. Now, it looks like a van pale moon or a winter moon, late winter moon. Now the familiar ache. Now same pain, the pain of losing the mother. There is one single worry throughout the lesson, the pain of losing the mother. So this girl, she is full. She fears losing the मदर. एंड राइट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड आपने देखा होगा बच्चों को अपनी मम्मा से दूर ले जाओ तो वो बहुत डरते हैं. दैट इज़ द चाइल्डहुड पेन एंड दैट इज़ फेमिलियर बिकॉज दैट इज़ देयर फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. बट ऑल मतलब in spite of all the worries, all the anxiety of that, she may see the mother again or she may not see the mother again. She may see the mother again, she may not see the mother again, but still she says bye with a smile, and the last words were, see you soon, Amma. Now I'll be discussing soon the answers also. And all I did was smiled and smiled and smiled. This is the last line of the poem. So here to I end up the chapter. Poem wise summary is over. I cut short the video for you people. I will repeat the same thing again. Thank you very much.